Hey you, do you have a focus disability? Yeah, introducing the Fidget Case, a brand new way to keep focus while scrolling endlessly. Without Fidget Case, your phone isn't safe from projectile throws. And even then, your phone may get a little bit boring. But with Fidget Case, you can have all the fun in the world, taking calls, hello, using as a throwing projectile, and much more. We will now demonstrate to you Fidget Case's patented design. Oh, I guess we forgot that one. The Fidget Case is Xbox compliant, including 2 analog joysticks, multiple buttons, and triggers for your delight. So what are you waiting for? Get your Fidget Case today for $29.99 or 3 easy installments of your house loan. Call us and buy it today.